There are times when you wish you had a tool with you, and this card is always with you. The everyday carry card is made to fit in your wallet and be with you at all times. A tool should do its job well. High quality materials and craftsmanship play a large role in this design. I looked for the best materials and methods I possibly could to design this. I think there are times when we all wish we had a tool for a small or large job right in front of us, and we usually have to go dig around for that tool to accomplish it. The idea behind this card is to have a high quality tool that does everything, that's with you all the time and takes up no space in your pocket. I decided to use S35VN blade steel. This knife is designed with the best quality steel out there. It's called S35VN, and it's designed to hold its edge for an extremely long time. I believe it to be the highest quality blade steel out there. It's made of the same exact steel as my EDC card. The everyday carry card is made right here in Cleveland, in the heart of steel. I think you should only have to buy something once, and I kept that in mind when I set out to make this tool. Why would you ever want to buy anything more than once? EDC cards are for everyday use. There's over 30 functions on the EDC card. There's 23 different sized hex wrenches, 2 screwdrivers, a beveled edge with a millimeter measure, which doubles as a paint and ice scraper, a thumb grip doubles as a 2-inch measure, plus a nail pry and a lanyard hole for your keyring. The modular O-ring retention system is designed to use any 1/4-inch screw bit. You can remove the O-ring and use the retention slot as a bottle opener. This is not a tool for every job. An ergonomic grip is paramount to a great multi-tool, and the EDC card utilizes it very well. It's got a great hand feel, and it's really good. The everyday carry card is made at 3/32 of an inch thick, or 2.4 millimeters, for a tough build and maximum amount of durability without intruding on your wallet. I put a lot of thought into this card, and I really hope you like it as much as I do. Shout out to my man Tofty, who helped me design this. You can see his work through chaoha.com on the collaborators page. Thanks for watching, appreciate it.
You see the feeding hand that gets bitten by the dog should have never been offering such a vicious beast. That's if self-preservation was a key, otherwise he's just a damn fool.
Thanks!
You said we had it all. That shit would drive me crazy.
Do you love biking? Have you ever run into the situation of needing to fix or adjust your bike on the road, but since the tools were too bulky, you do not have them with you? Introducing our award-winning next-generation product, WOKIT 2.0, which replaces 28 tools and weighs only 130 grams. Now you can have your mind at ease while you're out there riding.
With only a couple moves, you already have a fully functioning tool that can fix any problem on your bike.
Hello, my name is Brian Borchers and I own Russian River Cycle Service. I've been in the bicycle industry for a good 20 years. Never afraid of buying a specialty tool when I need it for the job. This tool has everything that you could possibly need. I would probably use this primarily in my shop, not just out on the trail. The idea of it is to have everything in your pocket when you're out on the road. It has pretty much every tool you could imagine that you would need. So you got flat blade, Phillips blade, Torx, Allens, sockets. It has a bottle cap opener, 1/4-inch drive ratchet driver, starts at 2 millimeter Allen and goes up to 6 millimeter. Has a Phillips, a flat blade, and a chain tool. Once you take out the attachments, you assemble it for whatever it is that you're working on. Slip it into the carabiner, turn it over, lock the carabiner down on it, and it's ready to go. This tool's made out of chromoly steel. They use the same materials in axles and gear fabrication. What I have here is the 15 millimeter open end wrench. When you're holding it in your hand, it fits really nicely. You could definitely put legitimate full-on torque on this wrench. You pretty much could disassemble anything on a bicycle on the roadside and put it back together, more importantly.
Weight is extremely important to cyclists, and I won't get weighed down by this tool.
You can take it anywhere, you can forget about it even, because you can clip it to your belt.
Biking in the Napa Valley is an unbelievable experience and helps me connect to nature. Saving weight is what every cyclist needs. You don't have to bring a whole toolkit of 5 to 7 tools, you just need one tool. Compact and lightweight and easy to take out of the saddle. It really just gives the opportunity to fix any problem. You won't even notice it in your jersey pocket.
Our team of design engineers and daily cyclists came together because we needed a better solution for having tools on the road. After years of engineering, we're now ready to release the next generation prototype of WOKIT, and we need your support to move into mass production. Please back us today to be one of the first people to own WOKIT 2.0 and have the power of a full bike shop fit in the palm of your hand. WOKIT, the only kit you need when you are out there on the road.